Assalamu alaikum. Today I have successfully qualified Banking Professional Exam 2025 second part AIBB, Associate of Institute of Bankers, Bangladesh. In our country, Banking Professional Exam has two parts. One is JAIBB and second is AIBB. In 20 February 2024, I had qualified first part JAIBB, Junior Associate of Institute of Bankers, Bangladesh. Today, 10th July 2025, I have successfully passed AIBB, Associate of Institute of Bankers, Bangladesh, the second part of Banking Professional Exam and the last part of Banking Professional Exam. This exam is conducted by Institute of Bankers, Bangladesh. In Bangladesh, Banking Professional Exams is considered the professional efficiency exam for the bankers. I am very happy to share this news. The prize money of AIBB qualified candidate is 50,000 taka. Thanks Almighty Allah for giving me success. Thanks everyone.